Sandwich packaging materials, bags. They are available in a wide range of sizes and designs, from narrow packaging bags suitable for fruit sandwiches to large sandwich packaging bags. Perfect for fruit sandwiches with 2 pieces of bread. Very popular now. Perfect for fruit sandwiches with 2 pieces of bread. Perfect for fruit sandwiches with 2 pieces of bread.
Then we'll show you the standard sandwich bag. Width 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 mm. We have a wide range of products from 85 mm to 85 mm.
$70 mm sandwich packaging bag for various sandwiches. Simple design packaging bag that allows you to see the sandwich inside. A nice design with a vegetable pattern makes the sandwiches stand out on display. The design on the back is stylish with white vertical stripes. Top design on the front is a sandwich image pattern. There are bags with dimensions to fit various sandwiches. It is a nice design with a stripe at the bottom. It is available in sizes 70, 80 and 90 mm. If you found it helpful, please click subscribe. If you have any questions about how to make it, please email us.